So children, now I am going to pronounce some words. Please listen to the words and spell each word at least 3 times. First word, forest. 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 Second word, listen. 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 Third word, drive. 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 Fourth word, branches. 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 Fifth word, scared. 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 Sixth word, woodcutter. 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 Seventh word, loud noise. Loud noise. Loud noise. Eighth one, together. 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 Ninth word, insect. 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 10th word, nature. 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 Now children, I shall dictate few words. Listen to them carefully and write the words in your notebook. I shall repeat each word 3 times. First word, scared. 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 Second word, loud noise. Loud noise. Loud noise. Third word, listen. 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 Fourth word, nature. 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 Fifth word, branches. 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 Sixth word, woodcutter. 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 Seventh word, forest. 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 Eighth word, insect. 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 Ninth word, together. 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 10th word, drive. 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 So children, your dictation words are completed.